What is up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40, whether it is makeup look, eyeshadow looks, or fashion videos. I got all that content here, so it'd be awesome if you could hang out with me, subscribe to my channel, and we are gonna create this fall makeup look today. Step one to a fall makeup look is having copper ginger hair. That just helps the look out a lot more. So yes, if you guys would like to stick around and see how I created this fall makeup look, then just keep watching. It's a Saturday morning, so I've got a little bit of bedhead going on. I'm trying to calm it down a bit. Okay, let's get into this makeup look. I got my cozy cardigan on. It's very fall outside. I got a coffee in hand, even though I shouldn't be drinking it because it gives me wicked acid reflux. Can't help it. I can't help it. Love the caffeine. It's fall, y'all, so I am going to do a fall eyeshadow look. I had one of my subscribers ask me to do fall makeup, so let's do that and get into it. I'm gonna start out with my Super Boost Makeup Forever, cream tint, skin tint. I have this in the shade 5. Just going to pop that on the cheeks. I just found this cool way to do my favorite thing ever. I have a tiny brush from e.l.f. Let's see. I have this little tiny, oh yeah, it's covered in the residue. I have this tiny winged eyeliner brush from e.l.f. and I was using my Hot Glaze bronzing serum from Lottie and just created some little freckles and went around my lips as like a lip stain and worked so well. So that is just like the funnest thing ever. I just created such a fun way to get some freckles and a little lip stain. For my concealer today, I'm going to go in with my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera. This is a great one from the drugstore that has a lot of coverage and doesn't crease into my lines and just goes on really, really smooth. It's funny, I don't have any fall decor up, but I find so much satisfaction in watching other people's little reels on how they decorate for fall and all the fall things. It's like, I've done nothing. I love fall, but I've done nothing to create it in my space, but I love watching people's recipes. Like the lasagna soup looks so delicious. Will I ever make it? No, I don't think my kids would eat it. And just, yeah, the food that they're making, the decor, all of it. For my contour, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm. I was using this religiously before I got the one from Rare Beauty, but this is such a great contouring cream from the drugstore. Probably the best, if we're being honest. Look at that. Look at that cheekbone. Cut ya right in half. Gonna go around and just dot that on the forehead, on my neck, and I'll just do a little bit on my nose. It's gonna go just right under and right in that crease. For a little bit more bronze, I'm going to go in with my Oma Beauty again, this Flawless in Real Life bronzer, the shade On Point. Oh, after I used it last video, I was like, this is so good. it is such a good cream bronzer. It gives so much pigment. Like I did it and I did it. I wore it this week and it was still on my face at the end of the day, working at the restaurant and just doing the daily routines of life. It lasted. So check that one out. Oma Beauty. UOMA. Probably Amazon. So the makeup on the face so far is just kind of like makeup that I would do every day. It's going to be with the eyes and the cheeks and lips that looks more fallish. So I'm going to use my old palette, the Makeup Revolution London palette. This is such a good drugstore palette. All of these shadows are really pigmented and gives us a nice range of fall colors here. So we are going to kind of focus our darker tones on the outer corner and then just bring the lightness to the lid, and that will help with our deep set eyes a little bit. So I'm going to start off with this matte chocolate brown color and an angled brush. And I'm going to kind of just work with this on the outside of the eye. Oh my gosh, if you could hear my stomach right now. It sounded like it was boiling lasagna soup. I think that's why. Talking about lasagna soup, and I'm like, yes, that sounds delicious. So I'm just creating an angular, triangular wing on the outside of the eye. I'm trying to stay in camera. One eye always cooperates a lot better than the other, and it just isn't this side. Now I'm going to take a small round pointed brush and I'm going to go into this warm neutral shade right there. And I'm just going to go over top and beside that brown shade. And hopefully this eye will cooperate. And I'm kind of going up on the crease as well. Not up on the crease, like over the crease, out on the outer part of that brow bone. Oh my gosh. I've never heard my stomach so growly. This eye is just so cooperative. This eye is like, oh my gosh, defiant. And it's funny because this side of my hair curls beautifully and lasts, and this side just falls flat. Now we're gonna go into this pumpkin-y spice orangey ginger color. That's really gonna give the fall look. It's je ne sais quoi. And I'm using that same brush, going over that same area just a little bit further along the eye. And this one I'm kind of pushing into the crease. Pumpkin spice eyeshadow. Oh, thank you, right eye. Thank you for behaving. I should just do videos right close up of this eye. You can just pop it up onto over the crease as well, just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go in with this lighter neutral right here and a fluffy brush. I'm trying to hold eyeshadow brush, and mirror all at once. Okay, now we're gonna go up onto the brow bone. Just kind of blend that through. Oh, it's so pretty. So fall. I'm gonna have to add some concealer to this outer corner because now it's like red and it's just making that eye look so messy. Going to go into this light, creamy, buttery toned eyeshadow and just a flat brush, and I'm going to pat that on the lid, following the shape of my eyelid, following the shape of my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with this small rounded brush again and that pumpkin spice color. I'm just going to mix it over that light color just to get a better blend. Can even go into the brown shade again. And then I'm just going to blend the lighter neutral tone up here. When in doubt, just keep blending it out. You know that SNL skit where it's the four sisters singing and it's just like, I'm Janice. Yeah, well, and I'm Toonies. On the out, this eye is Toonies. We're gonna get a little bit more of that pumpkin spice color on the eye, so I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush and pumpkin spice color, and I'm just gonna go under my lower lash line. And I'm only gonna go about 3/4 of the way. Oh, I like that. I want to add a little bit more bronze to the skin, so I'm going to go in with my Butter bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and just add a little bit more. A bit more bronze. Doesn't help that this, or doesn't help, doesn't hurt that this smells so good. For my blush, I'm gonna go in with my Rhode Sleepy Girl blush. This is so pretty. It just has such a nice kind of dusty rose, plumish look to it. And like, we can't do ginger all over the face, so we'll add in a nice contrast to the ginge. Yeah, that looks really good together. This eye, look at this eye. I'm going to line my lips with the lip contour from Rhode in the shade Balance. This is a nice brownish tone. And overlining those suckers. All right, we're gonna finish the look off with a lipstick from Merit Beauty, and it is in the shade Ginger. It's one of their signature lips. It is more of a matte look, I think. But like, yeah, ginger, let's do this. It's so fall. We're doing it. And this isn't really as matte as I thought it was. So I lied. It's not a matte lipstick. Here is the final look. Who needs fall decorations when you are fall? And that is the makeup look. Fall girl makeup look. Turned out so fun. We definitely have to use this Makeup Revolutions palette a little bit more for eyeshadow looks because the eyeshadow in it is very good, and there is a nice array of neutrals we got going on in here, but I love the way this eyeshadow look turned out. So easy to do, great for deep set eyes, great for deep set maturing eyes. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you guys again soon.